Hello everyone, I am Payal. I live in Nagpur city. I have completed my Bachelor's of Technology in under Computer Science Engineering in year 2021. Then after completion my graduation, I found this amazing academy, which is Tennis Academy. So before joining Tennis Academy, I was in my mind I was nothing about the coding content, and after joining the 10x Academy, then I found the content related to the programming, how to solve programming. So once I went to the social media, so I found there's 10x Academy page. So then I search about the 10x Academy, what it is, how it is, and what's the program actually. Then I saw some reviews of the students. Then I found this it's based and good for me to learn coding concept. So that's how I chose this academy. The one-on-one mentor session is literally help us because in that moment we got a one mentor, like a one-on-one session. They literally focus on our approach, that how we are going to solve a one program and what's our approach to solve that program. And if we are wrong, then the mentor help us at that moment and they correct us. So it's literally help us to correct our way to solving our program. The main part is if I like the GD session, if I talk about the main concept. Because through the GD session, in the GD session we interact with the other students as well, and with the mentor as well. With the help of GD, we are able to communicate with others, and it's really help us to improve our communication skills. Overall experience is absolutely great because I have learned too much about the coding. Because before joining this academy, this 10x Academy, I have no idea about the coding concept. Then after joining, I am able to do the coding with the best approach, and they have provided us the GD sessions, mock interview, one-on-one. So yeah, overall it's really helped us to grow our knowledge and enhance our skill. So yeah, it's great.